Hello, first let me introduce myself. My name is Martina from class 9B. So today I will show you how to make a sandwich. The ingredients are 2 white bread, 1 egg, the sausage, sliced cheese, tomatoes and some cucumber. And for the sauce, we have a chili sauce and the mayonnaise. For the tools, there is a frying pan and the spatula. Let's begin. First, preheat the pan over low heat. Just for your information, if you want to get a crunchy sandwich, make sure to cook the bread without butter. Don't forget to switch the bread. After the bread going brown, remove the bread from the pan to the plate. Now, cook the egg and the sausage with a little bit oil. Pour the oil into the pan. Cook the egg. Put the egg and the sausage. Why I make the sandwich? Because the sandwich is a simple and delicious meal. When all ready, we can find in all the ingredients right now. First, bread for the bottom. Then put the cucumber. The egg. Chili sauce. Tomatoes. The sausage. The mayonnaise. And sliced cheese on the top. Cover it with bread again. Done. The sandwich is all ready to eat. Okay, that's it from me. I'm sorry if I say wrong, and thank you.